Hello everybody, today a beautiful day. It's a really good day to make a steak. And let's start. We gotta put salt and black pepper both sides. And we turn the other side. I got the barbecue already on outside. Now this is done and we gotta wait a little bit and we gotta go outside to pick up the tomato, basil, and oil baby hot pepper to make a salad. We got my tomato over here. Oh, look at beautiful tomato. Look at this. Yeah, I got more over here on this other side. All right, we make a nice tomato salad today, fresh tomato. Okay, I got more over here. Okay, and now let's go over here. I want to pick it up the basil. You need the basil, the salad. Look how beautiful. Oh, you need a lot of basil. It's really good. I got so many basil, huh? We gotta pick it up my oil baby. In my oil baby, let's see over here now. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, now we go inside. I got everything for the salad. Okay, now let's wash everything. But me, I never spray something. No spray, nothing. I don't like spray. And we got the tomato. Wash. And we drain it. Look, this is beautiful. And this is done. Everything wash. Okay, let's go with the steak on a barbecue. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's close the back. And this you gotta cook a little bit both sides. I got a nice clean dish right over there. Okay, now we got the tomato over here. Look how beautiful. We can start the cut of the tomato. The tomato we do half and a half, like that. Oh, we got a lot of tomato. All right. Chop the pepper. Look at the pepper, beautiful. This is really hot. I do this one on the side. It gets a little more. And we cut like this. And you cut the piece. And the pepper is not. Now the basil are not chopped. The basil, what I do, I take the leaves out. Can never chop it with a knife, because when you chop it with a knife, it loses all the juice of the basil. Look there. All right, more basil. It's really, really good. Okay, now this is the tomato. I gotta chop a little bit more, but I want to check my steak. I don't want to burn my beautiful steak. Okay, let's see. Oh, let's see what. Oh, look how beautiful. Nice. Beautiful color. Nice. Nice steak today. Okay, we close the barbecue. I got one more tomato over here. This is a small one, we do 1/2. And this is the bowl for the tomato. The tomato salad. Look at that. Everything inside. Oh, the pepper smell good. All right, and now we need a little salt. I use sea salt, red onion. And we chop the red onion really thin. Okay, the onion is done. Let's put it together. Now we got the mozzarella. And mozzarella we chop like this, like that. And look at this, beautiful. Okay, put inside. All right, and now we need oil. I put salt already, okay? Oil. That's enough oil. We give it good mix. Okay, let me check my steak. I don't want to burn. All right, this is the dish for the steak. Let's see. Look beautiful, nice. And we put it right over here. All right, now we close the barbecue. Okay, now I got this butter and we put this right on the top. It give a really, really good taste. Look there. Look how juicy. Nice. This is easy to make. Butter, parsley, garlic, and hot pepper. It's everything ready to go. Okay, look there. Okay, good. Now it's the time of the taste. Oh, look how beautiful. Nice. That's the way I like this. Juicy. Look at that. The tomato and the mozzarella. And now what I need.
What you got there? Wow.
Well, look at this. This is a nice salute de chin-chin, everybody.
Was it a watermelon?
Watermelon mojito.
Oh. It tasted good. The watermelon, it was a touch of this, but I'm feeling nice and cool off now. I was a sweat, but no more. This is a nice drink. Mint, watermelon, and you got some drink inside.
I think it was rum.
Rum.
Yeah.
Chin chin. Salute everybody. I hope somebody make this on the barbecue. It come out really, really good. Chin chin. Salute. Ah.